The flashing white light on your AirPods Pro 3 indicates pairing mode. It's normal during initial setup or when connecting to new devices. However, when stuck in a loop, it prevents connection and signifies a problem. This issue affects roughly 15 to 20% of users, often linked to firmware glitches or Bluetooth problems after iOS 18 updates. The good news is recent Apple updates have improved automated scans via the iPhone's Settings app, resolving many pairing loops. If your AirPods are flashing white and not connecting, the core issue is that the Bluetooth discovery state isn't exiting properly. Start by resetting your AirPods. Place them in the case, close the lid for 30 seconds, open it, and press the setup button on the back until the light flashes amber, then white. Next, repair your AirPods. Forget them in your device's Bluetooth settings, then hold the open case near your device to initiate pairing. Ensure you're running the latest iOS version, such as 18.5 or later. Check that the case and AirPods are charged. Clean the charging contacts in the case. Use the iPhone's built-in diagnostic tools in Settings, Bluetooth, AirPods, eye icon. Run the scan for pairing loop issues. If these fail, contact Apple support. Try a deep reset by holding the setup button for 15 seconds while connected to power.